Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared Sitaphal milkshake using just two ingredients. I'm going to be using just the fruit and milk in this recipe. But if you want, you can definitely use sugar or diet sugar as per your preference. I felt it's not required. Here I'll be using Sitaphal. Sitaphal is custard apple which is very nice and ripe at this point. I'm going to be preparing milkshake out of it. I've already frozen milk here, 1.5 glasses of milk. The milk is crystallized. I never use ice cream or any other substance to make my milkshake thick. So this is one trick I have learned on my own. If you want to avoid any sort of ice cream and all this processed items, you can avoid it by just freezing your milk and crystallize your milk, then prepare your milkshakes or your cold coffee. It turns out very nice. Every time I've done this, and in my previous videos also I've shown you the same method. Now custard apple is very nice and ripe, so it has got all the sugars in it. You don't have to add any sort of sugar in this recipe. It has got its own natural sugars and very creamy taste. Now I'm going to scoop the custard apple. It has got a lot of seeds in it. We need to eliminate all the seeds. So how I do it is we'll add the custard apple to a sieve, and using a back of a spoon, just press and extract the pulp to another bowl, and we'll remove the seeds. So this is how you're supposed to extract the pulp from the custard apple. This is very simple method. You can also use your hands and mash it and remove the seeds. That's totally up to you. Now once the custard apple pulp is extracted, I'll add the milk to a mixer jar along with the custard apple pulp, and we just need to pulse it and grind it for a minute's time. So it is very simple recipe. Try this recipe friends. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed blog post is posted. On my blog post, you can find the prep steps, what to prepare ahead of time. So all the ingredients and all the measurements will be listed in the description box below this video. If you click the icon above this video, it will direct you to my blog. Do like me and follow me on other social media handles also friends. All the links will be in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've just added the milk and the custard apple pulp. I've ground it, and then I'm going to be serving this right away. It was so tasty. You just need to chop a few pistachios or almonds. That's up to you. Garnish your Sitaphal milkshake and serve it. You don't need any sugar in this recipe. All the natural sugars are in the fruit. So try it and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.